Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious chicken burger. First, gather all your ingredients, including about 1 pound of ground chicken, your favorite buns, and any toppings you desire. Make sure your workspace is clean and all your cooking tools are ready. You might want to chop some fresh herbs or a 1/4 cup of onion to mix into the chicken for extra flavor. Now, let's craft those perfect patties. In a bowl, gently combine your ground chicken with about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and any other seasonings. You can also add a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs as a binder. Mix just until combined, then form the mixture into 4 to 6 patties, each about 1 inch thick, making a small indentation in the center. It's time to cook your chicken burgers. Preheat your grill or a large skillet to a medium-high temperature. Lightly oil the cooking surface. Place the patties on the hot surface and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes per side, or until they are golden brown and cooked through. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety. Finally, let's assemble your masterpiece. Lightly toast your burger buns on the grill or in a toaster for a minute or two. Place a perfectly cooked chicken patty on the bottom half of your bun. Now, pile on your favorite toppings like lettuce, tomato, onion, and a slice of cheese. Top with the other bun half and serve immediately with your preferred side dish. Enjoy your delicious homemade chicken burger.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.